Hey guys, David Peterson, publicdomainphotography.com. Just a quick tutorial on how to add an inner glow to a Photoshop document. So select your text layer, double click, click on styles, inner glow, highlight it, select the color that you want to use. We'll go with a cool blue. Blend mode normal. Oh, sorry, always check your blend mode, guys. You won't see it with other options there. So normal. You can increase the size. You can add noise if you want. Let's just go with a nice little edge to it. And then you can choose your contour, so you can see this where you get the original color with it filled inside. Here, like a little bit of a effect where it's covered all over, highlighted predominantly on the outside of it. And of course you've got your range, your jitter scale, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's not much to it, just inner glow and have a play with what you fancy. I've gone with edges. You can put it in the center. Technique varies as well. Softer generally works well for most of my projects, and there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you at publicdomainphotography.com.